I'm going to show you how to put a different tone stack on a Princeton Reverb. So I want to put a Twin Reverb tone stack on my Princeton Reverb. And let's show you how I'm going to do that. First, this schematic I got from Ted Weber. I suggest you download it because the quality of this video probably isn't that good. Information in it is, though. Okay, so this is called the 6A14, and that's his version of the Princeton. And this is the 6A80, and that's his version of the Twin Reverb. Okay, so let's go over the Twin Reverb. It's got a bright switch, a volume, treble, middle, and bass. The Princeton only has a volume, treble, and bass. So it'd be a nice mod to get that on here. If you notice, I highlighted this section on the Princeton and also highlighted this section on the Twin Reverb. It's identical. And then this part over here on the Twin Reverb is a different channel. The Twin Reverb has 2 channels and the Princeton only has 1 channel. So let's just ignore this first channel on the Twin Reverb and find this section right here and highlight it. So you can see it's identical. And for example, we'll follow one path. Let's start at the number 1 pin of the preamp tube, and we'll follow this up here to this little junction point. Now, if we go up to the left, we got a 100K resistor, and if we go to the right, we also have a 100K resistor. Now let's go straight on up, and we see a 250 picofarad capacitor, and then that goes on to a wire that goes to the tone stack, goes to the potentiometers. Okay, and we can also, let's see, if we, at this junction point, if we went to the right, we got that 100K resistor, and then we go up and we have these 2 little capacitors. We got a 0.047 UF capacitor and a 0.1 UF capacitor, and those also go to the wires that go to the tone stack. So this stuff's all completely identical. And now let's count the wires. For example, we got 1, 2, 3. Sorry, I lost it. Okay, it's easier to count it up here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 wires for the tone stack. And over here we got 1, 2, 3, 4 wires for the tone stack. Now don't get confused by this last wire. That's the input right here, that little blue wire. All these, even the wires are identical. The colors, we got blue, green, red, and purple. So just basically graft this tone stack on to the Princeton Reverb. It's just as simple for the Deluxe Reverb. I also have that schematic. Ted Weber has it. He calls it the 6A20. And let's see. Yeah. So same thing. This has 2 channels, just like the Twin Reverb. So you're going to want to change both channels. I mean, you don't have to. You could just have one channel, the original, and then the other one, the Twin Reverb. That would be kind of cool too. But yeah, just everything down here is identical. So just graft this Twin Reverb tone stack onto the Deluxe Reverb. It's as simple as that. Yeah, good luck with that, guys. Have fun.